Chamomile tea offers several potential benefits for children. First, it promotes relaxation and sleep. Compounds in chamomile have a calming effect that can help children relax and fall asleep more easily. Second, it relieves colic and digestive issues. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties can soothe colic, gas, bloating, and constipation in infants. Third, it soothes skin irritations. The anti-inflammatory properties of chamomile can help calm rashes, eczema, and other skin irritations when applied topically. Chamomile's analgesic effects can provide relief from teething discomfort when used as a compress or rinse. The antibacterial and immune-boosting effects of chamomile may help fight infections like colds and conjunctivitis. Chamomile has mild sedative effects that can ease anxiety and restlessness in children. However, it's crucial to consult a pediatrician before giving chamomile to infants under 6 months old or introducing any new supplements. Start with small amounts to check for allergic reactions. Proper dosage is also important, so it is very important to review with your child's healthcare provider before giving to your child, no matter their age.